if P of X, okay, if P of X is divided by X minus A, the remainder is equal to P of A. Remainder is equal to P of A. Remainder is equal to P of A. Okay, remainder is equal to P of A. Look at here once again. Once again, I'll read. Let P of X be any P of X be any polynomial. Okay. Let P of X be any polynomial of degree 1 minute. Hello? Yeah. Oh, okay. No, I cannot check now because it's open. Day is Monday only. See, okay. Yeah, no problem. You submit already. Yeah, okay. Okay. Look at here. Let Let P of X be any polynomial. Let P of X be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Then, and A be any real number, small a. Okay. If P of X is divided by X minus A, the remainder is P of A. Remainder is P of A. Okay. Listen, the heading is remainder theorem. Header is remainder theorem. Header is remainder theorem. Okay. Header is remainder theorem. Okay. I have one question. Listen here. Did you learn polynomial division in polynomial divisions in class 8? Long division method. Yes. Why? Yes or no? Study or not? Okay. Look at here. This is a listen. Look, GIS where you reach now. Hello, GIS guys, where you reach? Number system. Last part. Okay, look at here. Okay, this is the one. Look at here. P of X, one polynomial. When we divide it by X minus A, remainder is P of A. Okay, I'll tell you the one example. Look at here. Look. Suppose one polynomial. Look, P of X equal to X raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is divided by X minus 1. Look, listen, don't write down. Is divided by X minus 1. Listen, P of X equal to X raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, then divided by X minus 1. We have to find the remainder. Look, if it is divided by X minus 1, you just find out P of 1 by remainder theorem. That is 1 raised to 4 minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. 1 raised to 4, 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 1, 3, 1. That this is cancelled. So answer is what? 1. That means remainder is 1. Okay, this is called the remainder theorem. Okay, clear or no? Listen, if it is divided by X minus 1, you substitute 1. If it is plus 1, you substitute X equal to minus 1. Clear or no? listen, if it is divided by, listen, if it is divided by x minus 1, if divided by x minus 1, you substitute x equal to 1. If it is plus 1, substitute minus 1. If it is plus, minus 1 here, minus plus 1, that's only. Clear or not? Once again, how to find the remainder means, look, 5 or 6, what is 5 or 6? Or look, p of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. You find p of 1. Why 1? Divided by x minus 1 is substitute x equal to 1. So 1 raised to 4 minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 1, this is cancel, answer is 1. This is that way. Okay? Clear now? Yes, it's opposite of number, not opposite, negative, positive, positive, negative, like that. Okay? Okay, now look at here. Let me ask one question. This way also you can do it. You studied that x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This one divided by x minus 1. You studied divided by x minus 1. Long division method. Okay, look. X raised to 4 divided by this term divided by this one. That is x cube. Here x raised to 4 minus 3. This method is studied or not? Long division method is studied or not? No. Oh no. Okay, okay. Then leave it now. We'll see later then. Okay. Okay. So write the question now. So then we'll apply only remainder theorem. Right. Write the question. Find the remainder. Right. Question. Find the remainder when the polynomial, find the remainder when the polynomial p of x equal to 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 x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. X raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Divided by x minus 1. Divided by x minus 1. Okay, try now. Okay, you just substitute x equal to 1. Okay, so next question. Right. Same question. Okay, right. Same question divided by x plus 1. Same, right. Divided by x plus 1. Divided by x plus 1. Look. Here, x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This is p of x divided by x plus 1. So p of minus 1. What we will do? Look. Minus 1 raised to 4. 3 into minus 1 square. 2 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4. Minus raised to odd even number is positive 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 2 plus 1. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1. How much? 2 minus 5. Answer what? Minus 3. equal to minus 3. Okay. Are you getting or not? Okay. So same question you find out divided by x minus 2. Divided by x minus 2. Same question, find out x minus 2. Listen, why all waiting the last moment our timing? Why can't you come 5 minutes before? Last moment you're trying and net problem and all what? Why waiting till the last moment? Okay, what do you do this one? Minus 2 raised to 4 minus 3 into minus 2 square plus 2 into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 raised to 4 is 16. 3 into 4 minus 4 plus 1. So 16 minus 12 minus 4 plus 1. Correct or no? 16 minus 12 minus 4 plus 1. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 minus 16, answer is 1. Okay. X minus 2 is substitute x minus 2. What is the theorem? If you divided by x plus a, substitute minus a. Divided by x minus a plus a, like that. We divided by x minus 2, then substitute. Oh, okay, change the question plus 2, then finish. Listen, I made a mistake. So better change here. Divided by x plus 2, then okay. Okay, divided by, just change the question. Divided by x plus 2. So finish now. Okay, otherwise entire thing you have to change it. Okay. Okay. If, you remember this only. If it is divided by x plus a, substitute minus a. X minus a, substitute plus a. That's all. Okay, that changed already. Okay. So next one. Okay. So next question, you type divided by x plus 3. Divided by x plus 3. Navneet, I change the question. Divided by x plus 3. I don't know. Divided by x plus 3. Look, minus 3 raised to 4. 3 into minus 3 square plus 2 into minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 raised to 4, how much? 81? Yes, 81, right? 81 minus here 3 square 27 minus 6 plus 1. So 82 minus 33, right? How much? 6, right? What the answer? 49, right? Okay. Answer is what? 49. Okay, right? Okay. So next one, look at here. Next question. Okay, find the remainder, right? Find the remainder. Find the remainder. Okay, no, wait. I'll send the questions. It is easy for you, no? Okay. Look, the reader question. Okay. Just wait. You can see our group. Okay. So exercise 2.3. You have the book now. Exercise 2.3. First question work out it. Exercise 2.3. First questions. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by 1x plus 1 minus 1 minus half x plus pi 5 plus 2x. Do this one. Last one is 5. You have the reader now, right? Priyansh, what are you asking the question? How to find the quotient? You are finding the remainder. This is called remainder theorem. To find the quotients, you have to divide it. We don't want to find that one now, okay? So open the reader. You have the reader with you, right? 2.3, first question. 2.3, first question. Write the question first. Okay, you try. You finish one, two, three, finish it. Then start the fourth one. Not first start fourth one. Okay. Vidya. Okay, you late. That's the reason. Okay. Now wait. I don't know. I have to check it. Okay. You finish all. What silver reader question? What is that? Two reader there is silver reader. What is that one? Hello, Karam. Eh? What is that? Silver what? Hello, Halima Nidir. Why late? It's already 22 minutes over. So main part of this today's section is over now. Then why late? Halima. Reader not have x minus 1. It is the second question. Look at here now. Look. Your system is show every day is a problem what? Right? You starting at 1 o'clock only starting the system open and all. Every day your system problem is there is. You some guys every day system problem. Look at here. I'll show this. Look at here. Hey, listen all. Don't write now. I'll show this all. First of all, p of x equal to x cube minus plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, first question divided by x plus 1. Divided by x plus 1. So you find p of minus 1. Listen, if it is divided by x plus 1, you find it p of minus 1. X minus 1, find p of 1. Minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 1. So minus 1 minus 3 minus 3 plus 1. Okay. So here, okay, minus 4 minus 7 plus 1 equal to what? Minus 6. Check correct or not? Minus 4 minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. This is the first one. Okay. Divided by x plus 1. Minus 1 raised to 3. That is minus 1. Minus 1 square. Oh, minus 1 is plus 1, right? Okay, so this is plus 3. Okay. So minus 3, then what? This is cancel, 0. Answer is 0. Okay. The first one is answer is 0. We're all got. Okay, Vidya, okay? You just substitute x equal to, if it is divided by x plus 1, you substitute x equal to minus 1. Are you clear now? Okay. Second one divided by x minus 1. So you substitute p of 1 equal to 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. What? 4, 7, 8. It is 8. Okay. Then third one. Look. P of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. LCM is 8. 1 plus 3 by 4, 2, 6, 12 plus 8. Correct or no? 7, 20, 27 by 8. Calculations, you check it. Correct or not? 27 by 8. Okay, so now others, we are doing one by one and all. Okay, just wait. Not only you, only here. Okay, I show all the questions. I told you know. You want to go early today? You want to go early? Then you go. Okay, if it is 27 by 8, no. 1, 6, 3, 12 plus 8. How come 20 by 8? Okay, so okay, now next question, look at here. Okay, divided by what? Divided by what? X plus pi. X plus pi. So P of minus pi. Okay, minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Okay, right? It is minus pi cube plus 3 into pi square, okay, minus 3 pi plus 1. Okay, we can't do anything, just write like this: minus 3 pi cube, right? Minus 3, we can do we can simplify this one: minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Okay, don't substitute the values, just keep it there. Okay, no, who told you to get a 2 by 7? The question is given. Question is given 22 by 7 or not? Neither. Question is given? No. We don't know the value. Maybe 22 by 7 or 3.14. If it is given, you can apply it. Okay. Raised to 3 on the first term. What first term? Here, minus pi raised to 3. Raised to 3 on the first term, correct or no? Minus pi raised to 3. Okay. Now, last one. 5 plus 2x. Okay, look at here. Next is, what is the question? 5 plus 2x. Look at here. Actually, 2x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5 by 2. Like x plus 1, what you wrote? X equal to minus 1, like that. 2x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5 by 2. Now, you substitute x equal to minus 5 by 2 here. Minus 5 by 2 whole cube, 3 into minus 5 by 2 square, plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Simplify that. Okay, do fast. Okay, try now. X equal to minus 5 by 2 and find the value. Substitute x equal to substitute x equal to minus 5 by 2 here, because if it is x plus 1, substitute minus 1, like that. X equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay. You substitute and tell me the answer. I don't know. Let's see. Let us see. Okay. I don't know. LCM and all you find out. It's not my work. Okay. Look. Minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay. This is okay. Listen, all DPS guys, now you understood. Without extra questions, you won't get marks, right? Finding A and B, not in the reader, correct? Rationalization, that is not in the, many questions not in the reader. And root of A into B, that's all not in the reader. So question comes from outside only. You understood now? You have to verify, check. Yes, most of the question not okay. It one always comes outside only. So understood now. So we have to make sure. That's why we are doing extra questions and all. It is minus divided by 5 plus 2x divided by 5 plus 2x equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 5. X equal to minus 5 by 2. How did the previous one? X plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. Like that. Okay. Haripriya, check now. Look at here now. Okay. Here is substitute that. Minus 125 by 8 plus 3 into 25 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1, right? Minus 125 by 8 plus 3 into 25 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Minus 125 by 8 plus 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Then LCM is 8 minus 125 plus 150. Correct or no? 8 by 4 is 2. Okay. Minus 15 into 8 by 2 is 4. 60 plus 8. I think answer is minus 27 by 8. Minus 27 by 8. Minus 27 by 8. Correct it now. What is the sign of 25-second line? Positive. Why are you asking such a simple question? It is not my part. You simplify some numbers. Class 4, you studied this one. Okay. Class 4 subject I cannot do now. Okay. So look at here now. I can teach only class 9 only. Not class. I cannot go to class 4 and 3. Now look at here. I'll tell you, one method is there is long division method. Look at here. Hello, listen all. The long division method I'll show you. It's not an easy one, but you have to learn. Look. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by, look, x plus 1. You see, what is the answer you got before? The previously divided by x plus 1. What is the answer you got? First question, what is the answer you got? 0. Okay, let us see now. Look at here. This method, let us see. X cube, look at here. Now, see the first term, x cube divided by x, how much? X square, right? The first term x cube, here first term is x. X cube divided by x is x square. So then x square into x cube plus x cube into 1, x square. Subtract. Normal division. Divide 3x square minus x square. That is what? 2x square. Right? 3 minus 2. Take one term here. 3x. 2x square by x. 2x. Multiply. 2x square plus 2x. Gone. 3x minus 2x is x plus 1. X by x plus 1. X plus 1, 0. So remainder is what? 0. You studied this method or not? Class 8 not studied? Okay, then write this also. Right now. Find the remainder. Okay, we'll learn now. Find the remainder. Find the remainder by long division methods. By long division method. If it's not studied, it will take time. Okay. Find the remainder by long division method. By long division method. Write the steps. Find the remainder. I'll explain, don't worry. Find the remainder by long division method. Okay. First of all, look, listen out. Okay. The question is, I'll write again. Look, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay. Look, hello, listen here. See the first term here. What is that one? X cube, right? Always focus on the first term. This is x cube. Here what? X. Then x cube divided by x. What is that? X cube divided by x cube divided by x what? X square. So I write here x square. Anyone today new joined? Anyone new? Today any new guys? Because they have no background of who? Do you copy the previous notes? Okay. So now look at here. X cube. Here first term is x cube. Here first term is x. X cube divided by x is x square. Okay. Then you multiply with the x square into x cube. So x square into x is x cube plus x square into 1 x square. Okay. Now normal division. How you divide like 9, 3, 9, 7, 8 divided by 2 like that? No, you divide 4 here, 8 here like that. Same. Okay. So now x cube by x cube, this is cancelled. 3x square minus x square is 2x square. Take one term plus 3x. Okay. Now here first term is 2x square. 2x square by x. So that is 2x. 2x into x is 2x square plus 2x into 1, 2x. This is gone. 3x minus 2x is x. Now balance 1 plus 1. First term x. X by x, 1. Multiply x. 1 into 1 is plus 1. 0. So we got remainder 0. Before also we got 0. Now also we got 0. This is the way it is called the long division method. Long division method. Okay. Copy his notebook. Because a new method, it will take time to understand. Okay. If not getting, leave it this method. You can try other method. Don't need to worry about it. Okay. Hello. If it is not getting Sath, go back to other method. Okay, that is enough. Just substitute the values enough. Okay. Okay. So anyway, you should know this method. You have to practice this method also. Maybe sometimes also. That's only. Okay. Now try the question. Okay. Look. Next question. Your reader, any question balance now? That one? Yeah, you try second one. Reader question second one. Try now. Reader question second one you try. It's divided by x minus a. Divided by x minus a. I send you the reader full man. You check it. That question, Priyansh, check the group. It is there. No long divisions. No long division. Forget about long divisions. Remainder theorem. No need long divisions. Okay. The question is, look, p of x equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a divided by x minus a. So that means p of a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a cube minus a cube plus 5a. So cancel, answer what? 5a. Answer is 5a. Okay. Third one, don't do now. Third one I'll show after the after the factor theorem. Okay. Your school announced the holidays, summer holidays, or no holiday? That means no holiday or not it? Okay, we have no, I don't think we have holidays. Okay, we'll continue the classes. maybe maybe end of July if the situation is normal. Okay, if it is flights all gone going, then only we'll do holiday. Okay, otherwise we'll continue the classes. I think better don't go now. You'll be in trouble because you have to wait 14 days there, coming back 14 days there. Okay, so better don't. I not prefer to go to this time to holidays. You can go to holidays in winter vacation. Okay, so next question, right? X cube is a long division. Just a reminder. Okay. P of x equal to x cube minus plus 4x square minus 3x plus 10. Okay, divided by x plus 4. Divided by x plus 4. Once again, x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 10 divided by x plus 4 divided by x plus 4. Okay, try now. Divided by x plus 4. Okay, anybody got? We got many answers now. Oh, minus 106. Pranav, minus 2. Wrong, wrong, wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number you're adding, you making mistakes. Which you are wrong. So it's wrong. Minus 106 wrong. Okay, let's finish all. I'll wait. Okay, so many answers there is. Look at here. Look. Now let me try. Wait. Look. This question is x cube plus 4x square minus 3x plus 10. Okay, x plus 4. Look, minus 4 whole cube plus 4 into minus 4 square, 3 into minus 4 plus 10. Minus 4 cube is 64 plus 4 into 16 minus plus 12 plus 10. Come on. Minus 64 plus 64 plus 22. Cut. This one only you made a mistake in this. How you can manage then? Okay, correct it now. Question a mistake, that's your responsibility. Okay. Okay. Look at here. It's finished all now. Corrected. Okay. Listen. Just see how I do the long division methods because you should learn later. Okay. Look. Sad. Look at here. Long division method. I'll show now. Okay. This is divided by x plus 4. Okay. Look. Check all first term here. X cube. Here x. So x cube by x is what? X cube divided by x. How much? X square. Okay. Then x square into x cube. X square into 4x square. Okay. This is cancel by subtracting. Then minus 3x plus 10 together. Minus 3x by x minus 3. Right? Correct or no? Minus 3x. Then minus 12. Subtracted, gone. 10 minus 12. How much? 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12. How will get it? How will add plus 12? Correct or no? Subtraction. Change the sign and adding. Correct? Change the sign and adding. So we'll get what? 22. This is the way long division methods. Okay, gradually you have learned this also. Okay, Sad, okay now? You should learn this method also. Okay. Everyone should learn this method. Okay. So next one, if not getting, leave it. Forget about that. I just explained to you. Okay. 3x minus 3x, yes. Minus 3x minus 3x, subtracting what? 0. Minus 3x minus 3x. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 what? Minus, change sign and adding 0. Finish. Okay, if not getting, leave it. I told you no. I just showing. Later you have to learn this method. That's only. Okay. Next one, right? P of x equal to P of x equal to 4x raised to 4. 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 7, sorry, x minus 7. Okay. Shall I send the question? You can manage. Shall I send? I'll send the question out. Okay. Okay. So you try now. You try second one only. Okay. Okay. Try second one. I sent already. We try second one. Yes. Answer is minus 7. Answer is minus 7. Again, Pranav, you made record now. Again, mistake. Second answer is minus 7. Check it again. Those not getting, check. Those who got minus 7, try third one. No problem. We can try third one. Second answer is minus 7. Try again. Still not getting, tell me. Gautam, how's the test today? How much you got? $16. Come on, it's a simple paper. You got 16 only. Dhruv, how much you got? What last question? What hard one? Which is the last question? Root of this one last class we did here. Listen, your test question last question number 10. Root of 48 plus root of 32 divided by root of 27 plus root of 18. Yesterday we did here. Correct or no? Root of 48, 4 root 3 plus 2 root 16, 2 root 2. Right or no? Divided by. Right? Hello, DPS guys. Your last question. find the value of root of 48 plus root of 32 divided by root of 27 plus root of 18. We did yesterday we did here. Then that is a hard question. And this one I did. Then question number 9, x equal to root 5 plus 2. Find x minus 1 by x. We did here. Question number 8, root of a raised to minus 1 into b into b raised to minus 1 into c. Root of c raised to minus 1 into a equal to 1. That we did here, right? So 10, 9, 8 we did. Question number 8. Okay, we did 8. 7. Which of the following numbers can be extra terminating? Okay, that is simple question. Okay. Then 65, 6 by 5 raised to x, 5 by raised to x. That also we discussed here. Then fifth one, find the value of 6 divided by root 12 minus root 3. We did. Even last class we discussed. Then question number 4, 9 into 64 raised to 1 by 3 plus 125 raised to 1 by 3 whole raised to 1 by 2. We did that here. Then find the value of a and b. 3 plus root 7 divided by 3 minus root 7 equal to a plus b root 7. Yesterday we discussed this question. Question number 3, right? 2. 2 is what? Simplified form of 3 root of 45 minus root of 125 plus root of 500. Question number 1, 7 bar. In this, what are the hard questions? Right? It's second question. Second question now, what? You got to find out. Now you got the answer, no? Simplified form 3 root of 45 minus root of 125 plus root of 500. You can finish it. Okay, anyway, forget about that. Okay, what is the remainder of this one? Third one answer is 92. Third one answer is 92. Third answer 92. Make sure if not getting, ask me. Third one 92. Okay, then fourth one. Fourth one, you try. Fourth one is you apply 1 by 2. Fourth one apply 1 by 2. No, answer wrong, man. Priyansh. Today is everyone have a day. Today is your day. Everything mistake. Okay, third one. Look at here. Third one I'll show here. Look. Look. Third one. 2x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. Okay. 2 into minus 2 raised to 4, 6 into minus 2 cube, 2 into minus 2 square, minus 2 plus 2. It just replies x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 raised to 4, minus 6 into minus 2 cube, plus 2 into minus 2 square, minus of minus 2. This one, minus of x is minus 2 plus 2. So, 2 into 16. Correct or no? Minus 6 into minus 8 plus 2 into 4 plus 4 plus 2. 32 plus 48 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. How much that? 92. Right? Ashka, third one okay? Nirmit, I told you when I do one question, don't ask another question. Right? You wait outside now. Okay. I don't like that. When I start on questions, you should focus on that questions. Should not discuss another questions. Okay. If you follow because it's in a group, not only one student or two students. Okay. You know how many are in our group? So you should follow according to the all group. Okay, now fourth one I'll show now. Listen here. Fourth one answer is, as per the book, is 3 by 2. Fourth one is 3 by 2. Look, I'll show you now here. Look. Fourth one, 4x cube plus minus 12x square plus 14x minus 3. Once again, 4x cube minus 12x square plus 14x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. That is 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. Look, 4 into 1 by 2 whole cube, 12 into 1 by 2 square plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 3. You just substitute x equal to 1 by 2. So 4 divided by 8. Correct or no? 4 divided by 8 minus 12 divided by 4, 2 square, plus 7 minus 3. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4. 7 minus 3, 4. That is 1 by 2 plus 1. Correct or no? 1 by 2 plus 1, 4 minus 3. 1 by 2 plus 1 is what? 3 by 2, right? Correct or no? You want to find the LCM? No need. 1.5. 1.5 means 3 by 2. Okay. Okay. Now we try. This is fifth one. Now we try fifth one. Okay, no problem. LCM, whether LCM or you got answer now. Whether LCM or directly writing, okay, no problem. Okay. Okay. Next chance is minus 35 by 8. Next, minus 35 by 8. You substitute Answer is 1 by 2. Correct or no? 1 minus 2x equal to 0. 1 equal to 2x, x equal to 1 by 2. Minus 35 by 8. Okay, those who finish, you can try sixth one. Only those who finish, try sixth one. Sixth answer is what? Sixth answer is 8. Yes, correct. Sixth answer is 8. Seventh one. Yeah. Now those who finish, try seventh one. Only till 7 you try. Those who finish, try seventh one. Those who finish, try only those who finish. Okay. Sixth is 8. Then seventh one you try now. Fifth answer is no. Fifth is minus 35 by 8. Fifth is minus 35 by 8. Okay, if fifth is not, listen, fifth is not getting, you substitute x equal to 1 by 2. Which one? J. Seventh question. Okay, listen here. Seventh one I'll show here. Look, seventh one. Look, I'm doing seventh one. Listen all. 9x cubed minus 3x square plus x minus 5. Correct or no? 9x cubed minus 3x square plus x minus 5. Equal, this is 2 by 3. 9 into 2 by 3 whole cube, 3 into 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. Right? You substitute x equal to 2 by 3. So 9 into 8 by 27. Correct? Check all. 8 by 27. Right? Okay, then minus 3 into 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. Check all. Then this is cancelled. 8 by 3 minus cancel 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. Okay. Oh, simple. 8 by 3 minus 4 by 3. How much? 4 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 6 by 3. Correct or not? Plus, minus 5. That is minus 2 minus 5. It is minus 7. Which one is? Seventh one. No, no, it is plus. Okay. It is minus 3. Minus 3. 2 minus. It is minus 3. Okay. Okay. Now, I said another group. Look, the last group. I said another questions. Now, 5 more questions. Try fast. Then we'll finish this section. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do fast. Okay. Finish it fast. This remaining 5 questions. Finish it fast. Okay. First answer is I'll give the answer. Then you can proceed. Okay. First one is 7. Second one 28. Third one is 10. Fourth one is 4. Fifth one is 2. Fifth one is 2. Okay. Okay, stop now. That you can finish at home. Finish as a homework. Okay. So now, Okay. So now I'll give you the next question. Listen here. This is star question. Look, this one star one, right? Coming test, important thing. Okay. I'll send you the questions. You can copy it. Then I don't want to read now. So listen now. I'm sending the question. Okay. Question number 9. Question number 9. Look, if the polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. When divided by x minus 2, find the value of a. Find the value of a. Okay, I'll show this one. Don't try now. Look at here. This is star question. Hello, star 1. 2x cube plus a into x square plus 3x minus 5. One polynomial. We call p of x. Next one, q of x. X cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. Okay, these are the two polynomial divided by x minus 2. Look at, don't write now. Listen. First polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5x and x cube plus x square minus 3x plus a. Leave the same remainder divided by x minus 2. That means p of 2 is same as q of 2. You find p of 2. How you find the remainder? That is same as q of 2. Okay. Now look at here. P of 2. 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5 equal to 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a. This part okay or not? Check this part clear or not. Then only we can proceed next one. Okay. Okay, now 2 into 8 plus 4a plus 6 minus 5 equal to 8 plus 4 minus 8 plus 8. Check all the steps correct. Don't write now. Check all the steps correct or not. Maybe I made mistakes, the calculations. Okay, 16 plus 4a plus 1, 6 minus 5. This is cancelled. 4 plus 8. Okay. Well, everything coming here. Okay, or going that side. Or what do you want? Okay, take other side. A coming here, 3a. 4 minus 16, 17 equal to minus 13. So a equal to minus 13 by 3. A equal to minus 13 by 3. Okay, do it now. Okay, Ansel, look at here. Ansel, how much you got the test? Abel, how much you got? Andrew. Okay. Oh, why 12? Come on. Yeah, this is all question we discuss question only. Okay, anyway, look at here this question again. Look. Here, look again. I'll show this one. The remainder is divided by 2. Remainder is same. As per the question is remainder is same. You substitute 2 here, like previous question. 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5, same as 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a. This line okay or not? Answer. This line okay. So now 2 into 8 plus 4a, 2 square into a, 4a plus 6 minus 5, 8 plus 4 minus 8 plus 8. This 8 cancel already. 16 plus 4a plus 1 equal to 4 plus a. A coming here. 4a minus a equal to 4 minus 17. That is minus 13. So 3a equal to minus 13. A equal to minus 13 by a. A equal to minus 13 by a. Okay. It's clear now? Okay. Then those who finish, we can try question number 10. Question number 10. Hello? Tell me. No, you should as Franco basis, no? Okay, so finish now. Try question number 10. Question number 10. Try. No, no, not so, correct. Okay, so answer is 1. Look at here. The question is, look, look. P of x equal to ax cube plus 3x square minus 13. Q of x equal to 2x cube minus 5x plus a. Okay, divided by x plus 2. So x minus 2. P of 2 equal to Q of 2. Then look, a into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 13 equal to 2 into 2 cube 5 into 2 plus a. It's just replacing x equal to 2. So 8a plus 12 minus 13 equal to 16. 8 into 2 minus 10 plus a. 8a minus 1 equal to minus 6 plus a. A coming here. 7a equal to, oh, this is 6. Okay. 7. A equal to 1. A equal to 1. Who all got? Okay. Okay, one more question I'll show you. Okay. Try. Okay, try fast. Okay, correct it now. Those who got mistake, correct it. Next question I didn't give, 9, it is, yeah, yes, minus 13 by 3. Next one, same type one. Okay. Right. P of x equal to, right, same. Same type, P of x equal to ax cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 4. I'll write here, okay? P of x ax cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 4. Q of x equal to x cube minus 4x plus a divided by x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. Okay, try now. Yeah, same time, same time. Let me check. Aditya Srivastava, how was your test? Okay. It is -1. No, it is -1. It is -1. Okay. Check yourself. I already done this one now. It is -1. Divide by what? 3. X minus 3, right? How come, Priyansh? Today everything is by mistake. Look here. A into 3 cube plus 4 into 3 square, 3 into 3 minus 4 equal to 3 cube minus 4 into 3 plus a. 27a plus 36, that 3 square into 4, 3 square into 3 square, 36 plus 9 minus 4 equal to 27 minus 12 plus a. Okay. Then 27a plus 36, 45 minus for how much? 41? Correct or no? 36 plus 9, 45. 45 minus for 41 equal to 27 minus 12, how much? 15 minus a. A coming here. 26a equal to minus 26. A equal to minus 1. 26 A equal to minus 1, A equal to minus 1. Okay. So listen here. Now same type only next section, that is factor theorem. Okay. What do you mean by factor theorem means what? Remainder is 0. When we divide, listen, when you divide, if you get remainder is 0, that is called the factor theorem. Okay. Write that also right now. Questions we'll discuss next class only. Okay. Right. Let P of X be any polynomial. Right first. Not finish this one. Okay, complete this one. Then okay. 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 So you can find out now without. This is the third questions you are doing same time. Third one. So now I think I think this net is good now, right? I changed the another net. That is better, right? Currently going on STC. The previous one is Zain. That means STC is good. Sound okay, right? Picture also okay. Okay. But sometimes Zain is good. Oh, STC is better for you? Okay. Oh, really? So I'll cancel Zain. I'll take 5G Zain. That will be better. Which area? Neither. Which area STC? Which area you are? Fahel, Abu Alifa. Okay. Abu Alifa shops are open. How you buy things? Online. Online or which shop online open? They will bring it. Which shop? All shops are online. Okay. Orido, I know Orido is not good. Everyone's complained Orido. Okay. Okay. Look at here now. So just write the theorem, then. Oh, come on. Pranav, now only after almost you start March, April, May, 3 months over. Now you are asking, we're in Kuwait. No, I'm not in Kuwait, man. I'm in India. Pranav, who told you I'm in Kuwait? 3 months over. Now you're only asking this question. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. Let P of X be a polynomial. First, write factor theorem. Just write now heading factor theorem. Factor theorem. Factor theorem. Then write the previous everything like previous one. Let P of X be any polynomial. Let P of X be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. How you wrote in remainder theorem? Let P of X be a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1, and a, small a, be a real number, small a, be a real number such that P of a equal to 0, P of a equal to 0, P of a equal to 0. Then x minus a is a factor. If P of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. Then x minus a is a factor. Look, if it is P of a equal to 0 means x minus a is a factor. If P of minus a equal to 0, x plus a is a factor. Like example, P of 1, we get 0, what? X minus 1 is a factor. Okay. Listen, P of 1 equal to 0, x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, I'll explain again, read again. Let P of x be a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. How we wrote in remainder theorem. And a, small a, be a real number such that P of a equal to 0. P of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. X minus a is a factor. Okay. Okay, now listen here. This is enough today. I'm sending you one homework. You try at now. Today itself we finish it. Okay. So we try this question. I'm sending now. Relax, take rest, and try. Okay. The first question, you got it. The question, the polynomials ax cube plus 3x square minus 3 and 2x cube minus 5x plus a divided by x minus 4. Leave the remainder r1 and r2. Find the values. First question, r1 equal to r2. That means remainder same. r1 plus r2. Sum of the remainder is 0. Third one, 2r1 minus r2 equal to 0. You substitute there, get the value of a. 3 questions. Okay. You can try. Okay, and send me the answer. Okay. I need the answer before next class. Okay. Today before 10 o'clock, you finish this one. Okay. Before 10. Before 10. Okay. It's enough today. Before 10 p.m. I need to answer this one. Only just one question. Okay. Question clear now? R1, listen. R1 equal to R1 means what? Remainder is same. Then R1 plus R2. Add both. Okay. This add both and get 0. Third one substitute there and get the answer. Okay. So this is enough today.